look too bad. Hi! Yeah, so this is our third vlog. Trace.
For the day.
For the day. Well, actually for the hour. We had some miscommunication go on when Nevada hit me in the head. Randomly. I don't appreciate getting randomly hit in the head. Do you guys? Because I don't. Mm-mm.
It didn't come out all the way.
Nevada just burped.
It didn't come out all the way, so now it hurts my stomach.
Good. I'm glad.
Hold on. It's gonna come. Let me feel it. I ain't got nothing.
This is what we do when, like, she attacks me.
Yeah, that's good. It's only funny the first go. Go. I already got a bruise. Oh, you got a bruise? Nah, I'm gonna kiss your nasty. Oh, no.
Yeah, Nevada looks like a cat. Nevada looks like a cat. Did you hear that? Ew! She sounds like her mouth is farting. Do you hear her? She sounds like she's dying now. I got a freak for a friend. Hey, no straighteners. No. And now she's drooling.
No.
Come in. Nevada's in a corner.
What's going on in here?
We're making videos. Nevada, where'd you go? Ooh. There's Nevada.
Where's your camera coming from?
My webcam. We're putting videos on YouTube.
Well, be careful, don't share nothing
Tell it to her. My mom's trying to sleep Nevada. Okay. Nevada, why is it me that's only talking? Don't bite me. Hairball. That's fun. Aaron, did you know Nevada's a bag full of bag that probably likes to shag? Yeah. Don't hit me. I'm on guard now. On guard, motherfucker. Okay. Oh! Make sure. Yeah. Chinese pacha. Ching ching chong. How do you like me? Now. Ow, my fingers. How do you like me? My fingers.